platforms like ChatGPT that are already being used by children, teenagers, or even younger to complete homework and assignments is a real boon, just like it is for a software engineer. It is a way to accelerate what you learn anyway in school, which is how to do research properly, how to cite the source of your research so that you're not blatantly plagiarizing. And I don't see a problem with doing preliminary early stage research to try and find an answer to an assignment question. If the student is taught that this is just a starter for 10, it's a way to get you to an answer quicker, but then after you've got the answer, you still need to refer back to what you know and the subject matter that you're particularly focusing on, and then build around the answer. You can't just copy and paste. And by the way, you haven't been able to just copy and paste anyway, since education was a thing. If you're writing your university thesis, you'll be failed if you just blatantly cut and paste from anywhere years and decades before ChatGPT even existed. You need proper methodology to go and learn and research and store your notes and process and use that information to deploy your knowledge to answer to the question that's being asked, either an exam or an essay or a paper or a research piece, whatever it might be. So I think this is where schools are grasping with how ChatGPT in particular and other similar technologies already starting to affect education.